sure you subscribe it. There's also a notification bell just on your right side. Make sure you turn it on so that you can always get notified every time I post a video. I do different kind of videos, cooking videos, day-to-day, life activities, makeup, and totally different things. Basically, this is the channel where you'll just find anything and everything, just random videos. So stay tuned. I'm craving French toast, and that's what I'll be making quickly. And I thought of sharing the easy recipe with you people of how I'll go about making my French toast. If you have an opinion as usual, feel free to leave it in the comment section. But in case you want to copy my recipe, go ahead. In case you want to share your own recipe, you can leave your opinion in the comment section. So let's go straight to making the French toast. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. We have our bread right here, Blue Band, and then I'll be using some marmalade jam, and then we have our oil here, and then I'll be using 3 eggs. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to say, French toast is a very good fix for your breakfast or, you know, just a quick snack. So I'll go ahead and break the eggs in a bowl. Add in some salt and some cooking oil. The reason why I add some cooking oil in the eggs is so that I don't have to I don't have to put oil in the frying pan again. Once I do this, I'll just fry them in the pan without adding any additional oil, because the bread is going to absorb the oil very well. Then I'm going to do 2 different types that I really like. One, I'm going to use 2 pieces of bread. I apply Blue Band and marmalade jam on them, and then I'm going to do another bread without a Blue Band or jam or anything. I'll just just submerge it in eggs like that. But my favorite one that I'll use Blue Band for the 2 pieces of bread, and then I get to submerge it in the eggs to just soak up, and then I fry it. So let's do both of them. Just follow up. I forgot to say, don't soak too much on the eggs, because if the bread become too wet and absorb the egg too much, it can start breaking or flaking. Then you fry it till it's golden brown, and then you have your nice and sweet French toast. And quickly shallow fry the bread without butter or marmalade or peanut or whatever, because I want to have a taste of both flavors. I'll then serve my French toast with some strawberries and some grapes. It really goes well, and I can promise you it tastes even better than it looks. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed making the French toast with me. I hope you learned something. And I can promise you they are sumptuous and more tastier than they actually look, and it smells so good. So anyways, until tomorrow, I'll see you. Bye. Mwah.